Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your currency on Temu account. So first you're going to go to the Temu app. Then next you're going to click on You, which is found right at the middle. Then next you're going to click on Settings on the top right corner. So as you can see, there's the currency option. I'm going to click on it. So unfortunately, USD is the only currency available at this moment. So you guys could only exchange using the USD currency. After that, you guys could go back and continue with your shopping. You could continue searching your different items, but this will be displayed in the USD price. Make sure to also check our other videos as we've been posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.